Fixing ClassCastException when using Redis with long values in Spring Boot. The problem: ClassCastException with Redis and long values. When working with Spring Boot and Redis to store long values, you might encounter a ClassCastException. This error occurs when the value retrieved from Redis is deserialized as an integer but your code expects a long. Why does this happen? The root cause is often related to how Redis serializes and deserializes the values. If the Redis template uses a JSON serializer, like generic JSON to JSON Redis serializer, it may deserialize numeric values into integer by default if they fit within the integer range. When your application expects a long, a cast error happens. Correct solution: use appropriate serializers for long. What you should do: adjust your Redis template configuration to use serializers that explicitly handle long values, avoiding ambiguous JSON numeric deserialization. How to fix your bean configuration: replace the generic JSON serializers for values and hash values with generic to string serializer long. For example, this ensures numbers are stored and retrieved as their string representations, preserving the exact type when converted back. What to avoid: do not use generic JSON to JSON Redis serializer for simple numeric types like long unless you explicitly handle type mapping. Summary: ClassCastException occurs because JSON deserialization may convert numbers to integer instead of long. Use generic to string serializer, long, class.java, for Redis value and hash value serializers to ensure type correctness. Avoid generic JSON serializers for simple numeric Redis values. By applying this serializer configuration, your Spring Boot service will correctly read and write long values in Redis without casting issues.